Hey guys, this is Christian Murphy, and I'm the Customer Success Manager at TalkTwo. Today, we're going to take a look at what it takes to start earning money on TalkTwo, the new way to work. In this video, we'll cover how to create a meaningful listing. Your listing is almost like a website or a resume. It's a public-facing page where people come to learn a little more about the services you offer and view your credentials. In that sense, it may be good to have your resume, LinkedIn, or website handy so you can copy and paste that information onto your listing. Right now, I'm on the Sessions dashboard. If you're not here already, you may need to log in and then click Sessions on the top right corner navigation. If you need help logging in or creating your account, watch part 1 in this TalkTwo tutorial series. Now let's get started. Click on the Create Your Listing button on the left side of the screen. It's important to note that everything we do when creating this listing can be changed later. That way, you can continue to evolve or alter your listing at any time. Step 1 in creating your listing is to give your service a title. An example of this could be something like anxiety and stress therapy or couples counseling. The title should reflect what you are offering and be succinct, so that people can easily scan it. Next, we have the About Me section. This is an opportunity for you to connect with your future clients and establish who you are as an individual. This provides members with some insight around who they will be working with. After the About Me section, we have tags. Tags are words that help people find your listing when searching on TalkTwo. To add a new tag, click the Add Tag button and type the next tag in the container that appears. You can add as many tags as you want that relate to your listing. I also recommend including your name as a tag so that when people search your name, they'll find your listing. Now, let's focus on your relevant experience. This is your opportunity to build your ethos and establish that you are an expert in your field. Just like a resume, the topic is the title of your accomplishment, and the description relates to what you've accomplished. Similar to the tags above, click the Add button to add another accomplishment. I recommend using the 3 to 5 most important accomplishments that relate to your listing. For example, if you were a published therapist, then you would want to include your license type, the publication, and where you went to school. When you're done, make sure that you have no extra empty tags or relevant experience containers before hitting the Continue button. Otherwise, TalkTwo may not let you continue. How much do you charge? Type what you want to earn hourly into the field. TalkTwo takes an 8% service fee, so you'll keep 92% of your earnings. For this example, I'll choose $100. Next, you'll have the opportunity to decide which session lengths you allow. The amount of session costs will relate to the length of the session. So, for example, if you set your rate to $100 an hour and the member booked a 30-minute session with you, you would earn $50 minus the 8% service fee. Feel free to select all the times that apply or just one, whatever you prefer. The blue boxes mean that you will allow clients to book that session length. The white boxes mean that you do not support sessions of that length. When you're finished, click Continue. Adding a picture of yourself is a good way to establish rapport and show clients the environment that you'll be working in. I'll be doing this on a PC, but it's a similar process on a Mac. Start by clicking the center of the screen in the big white container that says click here to upload a photo. Doing so will open up your computer files so you can pick a photo of yourself. An easy way to do this is to send the photo you want to use as your listing photo to your email, then download it onto your computer. That way, the photo you want to use will be the most recent download. After your photo is loaded on the center of the screen, you can manipulate it on TalkTwo. Simply drag the corners of the cropping tool to make the image more focused, and click, then drag the center to frame the picture of yourself appropriately. When you're happy with the way it looks, click the Upload button. Remember, you can change your picture at any time. The final aspect of creating your listing is to set your availability. Along the top of the screen are different days of the week. To the left is the time. The blue bars symbolize your availability. The default availability is from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., 7 days a week. Remember, just because it says that you're available doesn't mean that you have to work when a client books your service. Every time a client wants to book a session with you, you'll have to agree to the time that they booked. This calendar provides guardrails so that clients don't waste your time picking time slots that are completely unavailable for you. To manipulate the calendar, click on the center of the blue bar to drag it appropriately. To reduce the amount of hours on the day, click on the bottom of the blue bar and drag it up so that it becomes smaller. To remove availability from a day altogether, grab the bar and drag it on top of another bar that you are available for. When you're satisfied, click Continue. At this point, we successfully created our listing. The next video will show you how to connect your TalkTwo account to your bank account through Stripe. I hope this has been helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at christian@talktwo.com.